welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as it is winter now, I have this perfect pair of shoe which is perfect for the winter time, which is the Nike Air Force 107 SE Sanddrift. So this beautiful shoe, guys, is so cute and so girly. I really love it. I fell in love with them the minute I saw them, and I was so happy to have gotten them in size 37, which is also my perfect size. I will show you this shoe from all the sides, and then I will show you also the beautiful coloring. So if you look closely at this shoe, guys, you can see that the material is mostly wild leather. So I think that it is just wild leather, besides of course of the shoe sole. Here at the back you have this beautiful teddy style and also the Nike logo on both parts. It's made out of this beautiful cozy cotton, which is like, it looks like teddy style, so you can combine it perfectly with a teddy coat if you've got one. Also in black color or in white color, in every color that you've gotten it, it will be like so fitting to this beautiful shoe, guys. So as the name Sanddrift says it, this beautiful shoe is made out of sands color, which are those beautiful light and cozy light beige color in combination with this beautiful ivory and white teddy style here at the back, and also inside of the shoe you have this beautiful cotton material also kept in white. The laces of the shoes, I think it's kind of an off-white. I don't think it's like a very typical white color, but I think it's like also a beautiful off-white color, a little bit of light beige maybe. And all in all, guys, this shoe is perfect for the winter. So I will show you the shoes also together. It's this beautiful pair out here. Also, this is the view from the side and also from the other one, so you can see the Nike logo is on both sides. And here in the back you can see, of course, the Nike logo again, like Nike writing. And also here on the front you have it again where the laces are. So it's so beautiful. I would really like to walk in them all day long. I paid 120 euros for them, and I find that the price is very good. The comfort is a lot of, and the stability is also very good because of the sole, which I will show it to you right now. So if you look closely, the sole is like typical beige color. It's like also in combination with this beautiful white color here. You have like only white and beige color for this shoe, guys, and all this color combination really does the shoe so well. So yeah, guys, if you like this shoe, please like my video, comment and subscribe to my channel.